What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over something that is very expensive. But it does change the quality of your content and stuff like that. Me, I have been just using a kit lens, okay? But right now, I'm starting to upgrade because we just need to get a little bit more professional. And plus, the kit lens only takes you but so far, especially when it comes to, your aperture and, and all that stuff. So what we have here is a Sigma lens. This is a 16 millimeter lens. This is probably one of the most powerful lenses, or not powerful, most popular lenses that people use on YouTube, or just regularly have it on their cameras. So let's just go over it real quick. I'm just going to do an unboxing. I am not a super tech guy. That's why I looked at 50,000 million videos about lenses. So I have this one here, and I have like two more on the way. One is basically for my kids' sports. I want something for like shooting long distance, but it could be for kids sports, or it could just be for the videos I use outside when I do my reviews, when I'm messing with the squirrels and stuff. But in this was a brand new. I had a chance to purchase a pre-owned one, but I'm not really sure about getting a pre-owned lens. Y'all could let me know about getting a pre-owned lens or whatnot. Alright, so it comes with the blocker right here, the sun blocker. That's what I call it. Y'all can give me the technical term for it if y'all want. So here we have the lens, and I'm gonna be honest, this is way bigger than what I thought it would be. This is like huge, you guys. Made in Japan. Alright, got all the specs right there. Sigma, squeeze right there. There goes the lens. Made in Japan, and it has all the writings right there on there. You see it through the glare, okay? And they said this lens lets more light in because of the low aperture. And if you don't know, this is my Canon M50. Alright, Canon M50. As a matter of fact, I am going to go ahead and switch lenses so y'all can see if there's a difference. So right now I got y'all in my kit lens. I am going to take the kit lens off. They basically saying it's faster when it comes to putting stuff, closer to the camera like this, and it comes in focus, and then you take it back off, and then I come back in focus. So that is one of the best parts about this, because y'all know when I do my reviews, sometimes I put stuff close to the camera. Somebody even said, oh, why are you always so close to the camera? It's because I like to give the viewers a closer view of products. That's it. So if I put this to the camera right here, you can actually see everything. And sometimes I do this so y'all can see the numbers, and I'm blurry. There's more focus here. Then I take it back off, and then it's focused back on me with the viewers. And I think they said this is also good with blurry background. So let me go ahead and y'all can check my background over here. Alright, you guys, so of course be good with blurry background. So I'm blogging right now to y'all, and y'all see my anime wall right there. I can blog, and it's blurry back there, and you see more of me. That's why they said this is good for if you want that blurry background effect. Alright, let's go back over here. Y'all know I got my thunderstorm clouds. I know you really can't really see if it's blurry or not because they're clouds, right? So let's go on my other wall right here. And that is my, my regular blog wall. This is my production side over here where I can make my beats and stuff. And the camera, this lens is actually very good. The lens is good, you guys. I actually like this. I like the way I look on it. I always look at the lens. I know it's a rookie thing, right? But I have been a rookie for the past
couple of years on this channel. So yeah, I can look at y'all right now, and this is how the professionals do it. They know how to look at the lens. They'll talk to the lens like they talking to people. So they look at the lens like they're looking at a person. But me, when I talk, I always talk right there because I like looking at myself. I know, conceited, right? So this is your blurry background. It's more focused on you, and you got your 1.4 aperture. It says let more light in. We could also check this thing outside to give it a good look, but I love this lens, you guys. Now this lens has been out for years, okay, and it is still priced at $400. I bought it for $380. They did have a reused one for $350, but it didn't come with the sun blocker, or whatever you call this thing. What do you call this thing? I keep forgetting the name of this. Y'all obviously can't see, but going back in focus, I love this thing, you guys. I love this lens. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I love this lens. I don't want to say goodbye to the kit lens, you guys. I don't want to say goodbye. You may have to say goodbye to the kit lens. This kit lens have done its thing for the past 2 years on this channel, you guys, but now we have a whole nother world. So say goodbye to this. It was fun. You see how it just focuses in and it's so clear. I can see every single speck and everything. And then it's focused on me. My background is blurry. Let me move real quick. The background is clear. I'm in. It's focused on me. You guys, the lens is good. This lens is amazing. Now, I don't have no adapter. This fits right into my M50. I'll take a photo and everything so y'all can see, but we are about to head outside. We have a review to do with our lavalier mic. We have a review to do with this lens. We just have so much reviews to do now. This lens is about to get put to work. I may use the kit lens when I'm out doing stuff like kicking out dust and dirt and all that. I mainly might use this lens for like inside reviews, like inside the house, or I might use it for like blogs and like real-time buying. I'm ready to start doing daily deals, like showing people daily deals every single day, because I'm always looking for deals every day on Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's now do daily deals. So it's a daily deal thing, so we can get into that, and this will be a good camera to use to talk to the viewers. So if I don't make it to the outside, like, comment, share, and subscribe.